Think about this for a moment. Just 20 years ago, the idea of making money from your bedroom, your laptop, or even while you're on vacation would have seemed like a fantasy. But today, the internet has completely transformed how we approach wealth. The digital era has opened up countless doors for people from all walks of life to generate income without leaving their homes. It's not just for tech experts or entrepreneurs, it's for anyone willing to put in the work and leverage the opportunities the online world offers. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or someone looking for a side hustle, the internet has leveled the playing field. You can create multiple streams of income, and what's even more incredible is that some of these streams can run on autopilot once you set them up. In this video, we're diving deep into 10 online passive income ideas that can help you start building your wealth, all from the comfort of your own home. These aren't just dreams, they're real opportunities that anyone can tap into. You don't need a degree in computer science, and you don't need deep pockets to get started. All you need is the right mindset, a bit of effort, and the willingness to take that first step towards your financial freedom. So, grab a notebook and let's explore these exciting, practical ways to earn money online. Because in today's world, getting rich isn't about where you start, it's about where you decide to go. Let's begin with content creation on platforms like YouTube, blogs, or podcasts. This is one of the most basic but rewarding ways to generate passive income. The idea is simple. You share valuable, entertaining, or educational content, grow an audience, and monetize that content through various channels. You can earn a significant amount of revenue through advertisements, sponsorships and donations, paid subscriptions, memberships, affiliate marketing, and merchandise sales. The key is consistency. Focus on creating content in a niche you're passionate about and optimize for SEO to reach a wider audience. Engage with your audience to build loyalty and trust. Once you've built a library of high-quality content, it can continue to attract new viewers, readers, or listeners for years, generating income long after the initial effort. With content creation, you're not just earning passively, you're also building a personal brand that can act as a foundation and open doors to even more passive income opportunities. Next, let's talk about an idea that's closely related to content creation: licensing your work. If you're a creator in photography, music, writing, or video licensing, your work is a fantastic way to generate passive income. Licensing means granting others the right to use your creations in exchange for royalties or fees. So how does this work? There are various platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Epidemic Sound that let you upload your work, such as stock photos, music tracks, or video clips, and every time someone downloads or uses your content, you earn a royalty. You create the content once, and it can be sold or used repeatedly without additional effort. Over time, a large portfolio can generate consistent income. The trick is to focus on high-demand niches, such as professional-looking photos for businesses, trendy music for YouTubers, or generic video clips that work across industries. Licensing turns your creativity into a long-term revenue stream, allowing you to earn while pursuing your passions. Next up is print on demand. This is perfect if you're creative and want a low-risk way to earn passive income. This is also simple. You design products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, or tote bags, and when someone buys your design, another platform handles everything else: printing, packaging, and shipping. Platforms like Redbubble, Printful, or Teespring make this process seamless. You upload your designs, set your prices, and they do the rest. You only pay the production cost after a sale, so there's no need to keep inventory or deal with upfront expenses. Print on demand lets you tap into trending niches or express your creativity. For example, you can design funny quotes, stylish graphics, or niche-specific themes that resonate with specific audiences. The key to success is marketing. Share your products on social media, create a small brand, or use SEO-friendly keywords so people can find your designs on these platforms. Take time to research trending topics or underserved markets to create designs people are actively searching for. The more unique your product, the better your chances of standing out. With print on demand, your designs keep earning for you long after you've created them, making it a highly scalable and passive income stream. If you've ever thought, I know something others would pay to learn, then creating online courses or ebooks is your perfect passive income opportunity. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable let you create a course on almost any topic, whether it's graphic design, coding, cooking, or even productivity hacks. For ebooks, tools like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy to publish and sell your work to a global audience. You create the content once, and it can sell indefinitely. People are always looking to learn new skills or gain insights, and well-crafted courses or ebooks can generate sales for years with minimal updates. Start by identifying a skill or topic you're knowledgeable about. Break it down into actionable steps or write it in an engaging way. Add value with visuals, examples, or templates to make the learning experience richer. The secret is to focus on topics with demand but low competition. By teaching what you know, you not only help others but also build a scalable income stream that works for you 24/7. Next up, affiliate marketing. If you already have an online presence, this is one of the simplest ways to generate passive income. It works like this. You promote products or services you believe in, and when someone buys through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. Platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank connect you with thousands of products to promote. Whether it's physical items, software, or digital subscriptions, there's an affiliate program for almost every niche. You don't need to create or stock any products. Your job is simply to connect buyers with the right solutions. Pair this with a blog, YouTube channel, or social media platform, and you can generate ongoing income as long as your content stays relevant. Make sure you focus on products or services you genuinely use and love. Authenticity builds trust. Then create reviews, tutorials, or top 10 lists that highlight the value of these products and add your affiliate links where your audience can easily find them. High-quality, evergreen content ensures your affiliate links continue to generate clicks and commissions over time. With affiliate marketing, you're leveraging trust and reach to earn income while helping others find great products, an easy win-win. Let's now talk about dropshipping. This is a low-risk way to start an online store without managing inventory. Here's how it works. You set up an e-commerce store, list products from suppliers, and when a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to them. You earn the difference between the supplier's price and what you charge. Platforms like Shopify and tools like Oberlo or Spocket help in streamlining the process, allowing you to automate order fulfillment, inventory updates, and even customer communication. You don't need to buy products up front or worry about storage. It's a business model that minimizes costs and risks while offering scalability. To succeed at dropshipping, you need to find a niche with high demand and products that solve specific problems. Pair that with great marketing using platforms like Facebook ads, Google ads, or TikTok influencers, and you can drive sales with minimal hands-on effort. Always focus on building a strong brand and excellent customer service even in a dropshipping model. Remember, automated tools are great, but a personal touch can help build trust and loyalty. With automation handling most of the heavy lifting, a well-run dropshipping business can become a lucrative and semi-passive income stream. Next, let's talk about one of the oldest and most reliable forms of passive income: rental properties. You might picture managing physical buildings, dealing with tenants, and handling repairs. But thanks to the internet, even real estate has become a source of online passive income. The digital age has introduced options like real estate investment trusts and property management platforms that simplify the process for investors. Websites like Fundrise or Realty Mogul make it easy to invest in commercial and residential real estate from anywhere in the world. No need for dealing with leaky pipes or tenant complaints, just a simple hands-off way to earn passive income. Online property management tools like Airbnb or VRBO have also made it possible for property owners to rent out short-term accommodations without being fully involved in the day-to-day operations. If you have a spare room or property, these platforms let you list your space for guests, handle bookings, and even manage payments, all through easy-to-use apps. Real estate has always been a powerful way to generate wealth, and with the help of online platforms, you can access this wealth-building strategy with minimal effort and risk, making it simple to get started and scale up without the traditional headaches of managing real estate. While rental properties are often seen as a more traditional form of passive income, today's online tools have made it accessible, scalable, and easier than ever to tap into this wealth-building opportunity. Next, dividend-paying stocks. Imagine owning a small piece of a company like Coca-Cola or Apple. When that company makes a profit, it may decide to share a portion of that profit with its shareholders. This is called a dividend, a cash payment made to you just for holding the stock. Think of it like earning a paycheck from your investments. Every few months you might get a check from the company for being an owner of their stock. The best part? These payments continue as long as you hold the stock, and they can grow over time if the company continues to do well. Dividend-paying stocks are one of the easiest ways to earn passive income. You don't have to sell your shares to make money. The dividends keep rolling in as long as the company continues to perform well. Plus, many stable companies have a long track record of paying dividends consistently, making them a relatively safe investment. With dividend-paying stocks, your money works for you, and you can enjoy regular passive payments that can grow over time. Even if you're not a financial expert, this strategy makes it simple to start building wealth without needing to actively manage your investments. For those who value security and simplicity, high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit are excellent options for passive income. When it comes to saving money, most people think of a basic savings account at the bank. But high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit are two simple ways to make your savings work harder for you without taking any big risks. High-yield savings accounts are like regular savings accounts, but they pay you a higher interest rate. This means your money earns more over time just by sitting there. For example, while a regular savings account might pay you 0.05% interest, a high-yield savings account could pay you 2% or more. Though it's not a huge amount, it's a much better return than letting your money sit in a standard account. The bank uses your money to lend to others and pays you interest in return. You don't have to lock up your money for any period of time. You can withdraw it whenever you need it, while still earning interest. It's a safe, simple way to grow your savings passively. Certificates of deposit are a bit different. Here you agree to leave your money in the bank for a fixed period of time, say 6 months, 1 year, or even 5 years. In return, the bank pays you a higher interest rate than a regular savings account or a high-yield savings account. The catch is, you can't take your money out before the term ends without paying a penalty. The bank benefits from having your money for a longer period, and in exchange, you get a guaranteed interest rate. The longer you agree to leave your money with the bank, the higher the interest rate usually is. High-yield savings accounts are great for your emergency fund because you can access your money at any time. Certificates of deposit are better if you're saving for something in the future and don't need the money right away, like for a down payment on a house or a large purchase. Both are low-risk ways to grow your money passively. While the returns aren't as high as some other investments, they are reliable and easy to manage. Lastly, you might have heard the term crypto floating around, but what exactly is crypto staking and yield farming, and how can they help you earn passive income without needing to be a tech expert? Let's break it down in simple terms. Crypto staking is like earning interest on your savings account, but instead of saving money in a bank, you're locking up some of your cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum on a special platform. By doing this, you're helping support the network of that cryptocurrency. In return for locking your crypto away, the network rewards you with more coins over time. The process is fully online, and once set up, it's hands-off. Just like putting your money in a high-interest savings account, but with potentially higher returns. Platforms like Ethereum 2.0 or Cardano allow you to stake your coins, and in return, you receive rewards or interest for helping keep the network secure. The best part? You don't have to do anything once your coins are staked, just let them sit there, and you'll earn more crypto over time. Yield farming is a bit more advanced, but still simple enough to grasp. Think of it like lending your money to someone. But instead of doing it through a bank, you're lending your cryptocurrency to a decentralized finance platform. These platforms allow people to borrow crypto, and you earn interest by lending yours out. You can earn a higher interest rate than traditional savings accounts, sometimes even double digits. Websites like Aave or Uniswap let you deposit your crypto, and in return, you earn interest or fees whenever someone borrows it. While there's more risk than staking, it's another way to put your digital assets to work for you, with minimal effort. If you're just starting out, consider staking first. It's simpler and less risky than yield farming, which can involve more moving parts. Always research the platform and understand the risks before jumping in, especially since the value of cryptocurrencies can fluctuate. Crypto staking and yield farming make it possible for everyday people to earn passive income by simply holding or lending their cryptocurrency. While it sounds complex, the process is actually very user-friendly on most platforms, and the potential rewards can be quite attractive if done carefully. Hope you discovered an idea from these 10 powerful online passive income ideas that can help you take control of your financial future. But here's the thing, no one builds wealth by just thinking about it. The difference between where you are now and where you want to be is action. The journey isn't always easy, but it's worth it. Imagine a life where you have the freedom to spend more time with your family, pursue your passions, or just breathe easier knowing you're financially secure. That life is possible and it's closer than you think. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more practical tips on building wealth and personal development. Until next time, remember this: wealth is not just about money, it's about freedom, choices, and living life on your terms.